Okay. Pupunta naman tayo, mamasyal. Alright. Tignan nyo. Oh, maganda dun oh. Alright. Mamasyal naman tayo. Okay. Kasi pupunta tayo sa community. Alright. Thank you. Dito naman home base ng aking Ferrari. Alright. Kaya tinawag kong Ferrari tong kasi namimiss ko yung sasakyan kong sasakyan ko Ferrari din ang pangalan lang, hindi yung work of Ferrari. Alright. Dati katrabaho ako sa Carabaliting, kaya marami akong sasakyan doon, iba-ibang sasakyan. May Maserati, may maraming klase. Mayroong Ferrari. Alright. Kaya ito lang ginagawa ko. Kaya samahan nyo ako para mamasyal tayo. Alright. Kaya dito na naman punta ko sa iba, sa makita naman ng iba. Alright. Dito naman mag-exercise naman kasi dito nakikita nyo to, hindi pata dito, paalon. Kaya yun ang ginagawa ko, paalon yan. Kung sa mag-walk ako, okay, maraming tao, so okay lang. Pero pag ganito, magandang araw. Alright. Hindi naman makatayo mamaya itong wheelchair ko, baka sakali hindi naman makatayo. Para nung nakarang araw, nawalan ng electric, hindi naman full naman yung battery. Kaya alright. Alright. I'm fine, thank you. Yeah.
Nice day today, yeah?
Oh, lovely day.
Were you keeping anyone good, yeah?
Yeah. I do some exercise, but the problem is it's too hot, so it's okay.
No, it's good, yeah, it's good you
Sometimes
keep the walk and...
Sometimes I leave my wheelchair there and then walking around, then
Yeah.
I'm going back again.
Yeah.
So that's okay.
That's good, you know? Keep going, you know?
Yeah, okay.
Thanks, good luck, yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks.
lalaki naglilinis ng ano, may sasakyan pa. Naglilinis ng kalsada, may sasakyan. Alright. Kumukuha lang ng mga basura. Ayan. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Basta okay lang, samahan nyo lang ako. Okay, pamasyal. Alright. Dito, bilihan. Bilihan, maraming bumibili. So, kaya susunod na lang. Alright. Maraming nang gumimerienda. Alright. Dito naman pababa naman, pababa. Kaya alright, itong sasakyan eh. Alright, tuman na tayo dyan. Kaya dito marami rin naglilinis. Alright. That's very good.
Not too bad. I think it'll be worth it.
Kaya dito sinasakyan ko lang ito, pero sa ano dito itong sasakyan ko na Ferrari na wheelchair. Alright. Kaya Ferrari lang sinasabi ko yung ano, nakaupo lang ako eh. So ganun talaga. Alright.
What's Suzanne holding?
Oh, did he say that? Yeah, no, he knows, because I talked to him yesterday. I was like, yo, like, no, what's the problem? Bro, honestly, no, but like, it's like a bit. Like, I'm not going there. It's like, you know, it's like, that's weird, man.
Nah, like, you're going there for the vibes, bro. I realize, like, if anyone ever tries anything like right there, it's a bit there. But one thing I've realized with bitches, bro, sometimes it's better that they know.
Ito daanan talaga ng wheelchair, pero ano
it really works. Because, like, if
dito
they don't
naman.
know that you're interested in it, like, yeah, obviously. If they know
Alright.
beforehand, like, oh, guys are really like saying, yeah, that's something.
dito lang talaga. Mamasyal tayo kasi nakamasyal eh. Kaya maganda. Kaya samahan nyo lang ako. Okay na ako. Masaya na. Alright. Di ba maraming taong yan, maraming taong yan. Alright. Yan.
It's nice.
Kaya dito lang papasyal namin. Kaya sabayan nyo naman ako para mamasyal tayo. Alright. Ito yung tinatawag na center of campus. Alright. Usually. Yan, ang ganda doon, no? Okay. Ganda yung tubig. May coffee shop dyan. Yan ang coffee shop ko talaga. Bilihan ng mga coffee. Alright. Punta lang ko sa isa. Punta ko sa kabila. Alright. Punta ko sa kabila. Ito naman, pupunta ko sa malaking kantina. Kaya samahan niyo lang ako. Alright. Thank you. Dito naman, paakyat. Yan. Yan. Ito lang talaga yung ano, Sa doon bilihan, paakyat. Alright. Ito paakyat talaga sa ginagawa ko. Para naman maano ako ng maano ako sa kung kaya kong nag-wheelchair wheelchair talaga. Alright. Dito naman, paket na naman. Paket ng paket. Alright.
I did this so many times. Like when I didn't study enough the first time, and I barely passed, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna do it again.
Yan. Yan, dito na tayo sa sa bilihan ng coffee and milk and alright.
I was here yesterday and I had an apple store.
Bluebird. Ito bilihan lang. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Alright.